Okay, go ahead.
Happy birthday to me, Mom.
So it didn't take me long to get off of that.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you, Breezy. Now, why did you sing that song to me? Because why?
Because it's your birthday.
And
we got a present for you.
you didn't. What kind of present?
We can't tell, can we?
You can't tell, can you? Okay, but why else did you sing Happy Birthday to me? What do you want?
I want something for my birthday, and it's new baby Simba.
Okay, but look at me and tell me what's in the kitchen that you want. What was it you just asked for?
What?
Look at me, Ma. Tell me what else you want.
I asked for yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yeah.
No.
What? I want a pud cake.
You want a what?
I want a pud cake.
Okay. All right. Thank you for singing to me.
You're welcome.
Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.